This hybrid bearing is one of 300 SKF bearings that can be found in a Scuderia Ferrari Formula One race car. It's lighter and more efficient than a regular steel bearing. Making the switch to lower weight components may seem like a small change, but it is one of many racing innovations that can be applied far beyond the racetrack and make big sustainable impact on a global scale. The race is on for both Formula One and Scuderia Ferrari to be carbon neutral by 2030, and SKF is along for the ride.
So how we contribute as SKF to achieve this very difficult target in different ways. One possibility is to design components which help to reduce friction. For example, we provide hybrid bearings, meaning bearings with ceramic bowls or ceramic rollers. Now we have developed ceramic needles.
SKF is unique in its use of ceramic needles instead of steel in the race car's gearbox. According to Scuderia Ferrari's own test bench, the ceramic needles can boost engine power while at the same time reduce friction by nearly 70%. The use of ceramics and composites, of water-based lubricants, and the optimization of the bearing's internal geometry are other SKF innovations designed to improve efficiency. SKF and Scuderia Ferrari have the longest-running uninterrupted partnership in F1 for a reason. Knowledge sharing takes pole position.
It is possible, being SKF such a big company, that solution that maybe it's difficult for us even to see in a certain moment, for them they can take their experience from all the applications they've got all over the world, change them, modify them, and then apply them to the products that we will use in the Formula One car.
For us, is a great opportunity to test the most innovative solutions and learn from this field. We transfer back this knowledge to all the other industries where we continue to develop. So some bearings that we have in the car are used in the aircraft.
Aerospace and the global automotive industry are two areas that can benefit from this technology transfer. F1 is a high-speed testbed for sustainability. Sustainable innovation is in SKF's DNA, a company founded with the purpose to reduce friction.
We are effectively targeting to have all our factories around the world to be net zero carbon by 2030. That's not enough. We are targeting to have all our supply chain, full supply chain, from raw material to the delivery of the parts, to be completely net zero by 2050. Formula One acts like an accelerator for this road to neutrality, and we, side by side with the Scuderia Ferrari, we develop a solution that can achieve this extremely important target.